How to fix ad payment method not showing on Roblox in iPhone 12. So let's start the video. First of all, open Roblox and then click on more. After clicking on more, then scroll down and here you can see the option settings. Now click on it and then click on payment methods. Now here you cannot add your payment method. Now go back to your home screen and open Safari and search roblox.com. Now click on continue in browser. After clicking on continue in browser, and then on top right corner you can see the setting icon. Now click on it and then click on settings. Now here you can see the option account info. Now click on account info and then click on payment methods. Now click on add payment method. Now here you can add your credit or debit card. So this is the way to add payment method on Roblox in iPhone 12. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.